Biochemistry of proteins. Protein, large molecules composed of one or more chain of amino acid in a specific order determined by the base sequence of nucleotides in the DNA coding for the protein. Protein are required for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's cells, tissues, and organs. Protein are used for synthesis of enzymes, hormones, and antibodies to combat diseases. Amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, are essential for the formation of new protoplasm for growth and repair of worn out body cells. And also our body has a proteins. It can be found in our muscles, bone, hair, skin, and other parts of our body that has tissues. Proteins has a blocks that called amino acids. Other amino acid can also be found in the food that we eat. The basic structure of protein is a chain of amino acid. You need protein in your diet to help your body repair cells and make new ones. Protein is also important for growth. Protein food are broken down into parts called amino acid during digestion. The human body needs a number of amino acid in large enough amount to maintain good health. Amino acids are found in animal sources such as meat, milk, fish, and eggs. They are also found in plant sources such as soy, beans, nut butters, and some grains. Amino acids are classified into three organs. Classified into three groups: essential, non-essential, and conditional. Essential amino acid cannot be made by the body and must be supplied by food. They do not need to be eaten at every meal. The balance over the whole day is more important. Non-essential amino acid are made by the body from essential amino acid or in the normal breakdown of proteins. Conditional amino acids are needed in times of illness and stress. Protein has minerals in your body. It helps repair and build your body tissues, allows metabolic reactions to take place and coordinates bodily functions. In addition to providing your body with a structural framework, proteins also maintain proper pH and fluid balance. Finally, they keep your immune system strong, transport and store nutrients, and can act as an energy sources if needed. Collectively, these functions make protein one of the most important nutrients for your health. Function of protein in our body. Protein give antibodies. It helps us to fight viruses and any other diseases or illnesses. It gives us growth and maintenance. It gives us energy. Proteins help us to repair broken tissues in our bodies. It has enzymes that help us to aid biochemical reactions inside and outside our bodies. Enzymes help our digestive system and give us energy. Proteins play the role of a messenger. It transmits signals to coordinate with cell, tissues, and organs. Proteins provide structure and support for our body cells. Proteins act as a storage and transport atoms throughout our bodies. Proteins regulate our body fluids. Proteins help regulate our blood circulation. Proteins help us to fight infections in our body. Protein is an important nutrient for everyone, not just athletes and bodybuilders. That doesn't mean you need to start drinking protein shake every day. Most people can get the protein that they need from a healthy and balanced diet. First, why protein is important. how much protein you need each day and source great protein-rich food. Protein is one of three primary macronutrients, the others being carbohydrates and fat. Macronutrients are the chemical compound that human ingest the most of and which provide us with most of our energy. Protein consists of amino acids and are the most commonly found molecules in cell. Our bodies can produce most of the amino acids we need to stay healthy, but there are 9 amino acids that we cannot produce and must consume through diet. Humans can survive without all 9 essential amino acids. Protein is essential to building bones and body tissues, such as muscles, but protein does much more than that. Protein participates in practically every process of a cell. Protein provides the same energy density as carbohydrates. However, the body does not store protein in the same way. It stores carbohydrates and fats. This means that you need to consume protein every day. Many people look to supplements to increase the amount of protein they consume, but most people can get the protein they need each day from foods. The food you eat also provides other essential nutrients. Both plants and animals provide good sources of protein. It is important to be aware, however, that while many plants provide all the essential amino acids, according to the Food and Nutrients Board of the Institute of Medicine, meats, poultry, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, yogurt, and soybeans are all sources of complete protein, which means they provide all 9 essential amino acids. Many different foods that come from plants, including fruits, seeds, nuts, whole grains, cereals, provide protein. However, since plant proteins are not complete proteins, it's important to know which amino acid these foods provide. Especially if you do not eat meat, you must make a point to eat a variety of plant protein to ensure that you get all of the essential amino acids. As a rule of thumb, if you get half your protein from animal sources, those complete proteins mean you can get the rest of your protein from plant sources without worrying about how complete those plant protein are. Plant protein is lower in saturated fats than animal protein, so there's a health advantage to increasing the proportion of plant sources. It's necessary to eat a variety of foods even if you eat foods delivering complete protein. While protein is an important nutrient, there are many nutrients that are equally important to maintaining good health. A healthy diet is crucial to maintaining good health, and so is regular communication with your primary care physician. It is a component of every cell in your body. In fact, hair and nails are mostly made of protein. Your body uses it to build and repair tissue. You need it to make enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. It is an important building blocks of bones, muscles, skin, and blood. Like carbohydrates and fat, protein is a macronutrients, meaning that you need relatively large amount of it to stay healthy. Vitamins and minerals, which you only need in small quantities, are called micronutrients. Unlike carbohydrates and fat, your body does not store protein, so it has no reservoir to draw from when you're running low. Protein bars and shake are a great way to supplement your diet to ensure you're getting the right amount of protein. Protein comes from a variety of sources including meat, milk, fish, and eggs, as well as beans,